Welcome back to This Week in AI, Part 1. We're talking about the top 3 AI tools you can try for free. So let's get acquainted with the next big thing in tech. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI, capable of generating human-like text based on context and past conversations. It's free, but you will need to pay $20 a month just to speed up the response time a little bit. Bing, which is a personal favorite. Bing is your AI co-pilot for the web. The new Bing runs on the next generation OpenAI large language model, much like ChatGPT. And then lastly, there's Perplexity.ai. You can ask questions and give follow-ups, get direct responses with citations. It's free to use with no limitations. Okay guys, like I always say, let's continue to use AI for good, and we'll see you next time on This Week in AI.